one of the most prominent reasons I believe is cost of living. The exchange rate of Singapore dollar to Malaysia ringgit is stable and favorable. Singaporeans can enjoy many affordable goods and services in Malaysia and seize the advantage of the strength of the Singapore dollar. And because JB is just a bridge away, it provides an alternative space for leisure, investment, and education. Cultural similarities also blur the borders between Singapore and Malaysia. Some Singaporeans we have spoken to even regard Malaysia as their second home.
I am hopeful that this paper will be published in 2024 because it marks the centenary of the Johor-Singapore Causeway. And I think this piece of ethnographic research covering the personal stories of Singaporeans can be a pretty cool record that documents what the Johor-Singapore dynamic was like, especially in the future when our connections are intensified.
Being part of the research project allowed me to take things slower and appreciate the beauty of the people, the environment, the spaces, and immerse myself in the beauty of Johor that I would have otherwise taken for granted. In social research, we call this ethnographic awareness, and I guess this supplements my psychology major where I study the human mind and behavior.